happen.
CM Stalin's family went on a holiday.
No. See, you know that this family do only this work. Every 5 years once they do a campaign. That is only like biggest work the family does. And after every election they go for a huge vacation. Son goes to foreign and others, the other family, whole family goes to Kodaikanal or Ooty. So the maximum work, the major work they do is only this election campaign. And definitely they should not cause any trouble to public because they are going to Kodaikanal. And Kodaikanal, summer vacation, lot of public and lot of people will go to the Kodaikanal. And they should not trouble, since this family is there, whole officers will be there. And they should not trouble public, general public. Because last time when they, after 24 election, when they went to Kodaikanal, when they went to lake everywhere, nearly 7 hours, general public were not allowed to the road. So those things need to be stopped because if they wanted, they can go to somewhere else, but they should not disturb the public.
What is the field report coming from ground?
No, that all of most of your reporters, they have spoke to me, and everyone are eagerly waiting because it is an entirely different election. As we said, it is an entirely different election, and we all are waiting for the results because whole Tamil Nadu people, nearly crores of people wanted a change, and definitely it is they look like an independence for them, and definitely we'll wait for the results.
Especially how you see the term coined for TVK as Vijay as a disturber in this.
No. See, everyone believe our leader Vijay is the only leader who can give them a freedom and who can give them a change. That is the only thing, not a disturber. It is they believe today, as per the today's scenario. Do you think any other leader is available in Tamil Nadu? So do you think people see Stalin as a leader or Edappadi as a leader or Modi as a leader? No, they see only our leader Vijay sir as a true leader and a true savior for Tamil Nadu, and that is reflected in this election poll. Thank you.
Sir, this is starting two places, sir.
No, I have answered it clearly. We wanted to break break wherever they say it is a DMK vote. That will be breaker now. Let's wait for the results.